Assalamu alaikum. In this video, how to edit lasso selection in Photoshop. Let's get started. First of all, select lasso tool, right click on your mouse, use lasso tool, okay? Then use single selection. For this single selection, okay, and press Ctrl D, remove selection, and again use single selection, use multiple selection, and minus selection. Follow this, minus selection. Then layer mask, or again press Ctrl, refine its edit radius, smooth feather. That's it. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.